Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Experimental design problems often look tricky, but you can solve them quickly by identifying the core flaw in the procedure. Let's break this down right now. In a true experiment, we must control variables. Here, Jaden lets players choose their own treatment. This lack of control over the assignment process is the primary design failure. Boom! Without random assignment, lurking variables like player skill or preference can bias the results. This makes it impossible to establish a clear cause and effect relationship between music and moves. You got? Option B directly addresses this failure. While other options might seem relevant, the absence of random assignment is the fundamental error that invalidates the experimental design. Let's go. Smart move! Scan the code you can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip blinding your selection, always randomize to fix variables, and ensure your results hold.